Wits Zulu Society TV. Ukubona kanye, ukubona kabili.
Kama langu Khanyisani somo Ndaba mnajua Mufasa abaninduka ke makamani so depends on so Mufasa Siphelele abaninduka uJobe is our media office. You are both coming from Wits Zulu Society. So bakhona ukumakaZulu ne ngivela nithi kana mina ngilapha ne Zothi umsha awuloni jele noma shaka kobe dumina kobe amakobe silolusha awuloni jele noma shaka kobe noma from Okate show to Sagamini, Mago Singizola, Utena, all new power. So, Nalembo Mihamba, Mozo, Mazo, all new power just because you are, doesn't mean you have to be, submit to every relation. So, hence, we always fight the fight against gender based violence. So, the Tetela on to Jobe, actually, Kapaman, actually, more opposite in terms of the same way.
Okay. Thank you very much, Program Director, Sis Nyami. Tumelang to city modern to city potan the macharon I pay a lot for Obunyang Sal. Greetings to everyone. Thank you very much for this opportunity. This is a very great opportunity to be in front of you as the custodians of healthy societies. We are social workers, aspiring social workers, so it's very good to get this opportunity to explain about ourselves, the Wits Zulu Society. Don't worry about the Zulu. Let's engage the content. What is it about? So I'm going to give you a brief background about the society. So this is a society that came into existence 10 years into democracy. So remember, apartheid, what is happening, how people were segregated, separated into tribes, others in rural areas, others put in townships. So there was this thing where you've got AmaZulu as a KZN, AmaZulu as a goal. So such a thing had to come about to bring all these Zulus and teach them that actually all of them are Zulus, they are the same, there's no difference. Location cannot be a defining figure of a Zulu person. So as years went by, and we know that Wits is multicultural, multiracial, you need social cohesion in Wits. So the society had now to change on its actual principles when it was formed, say, let us bring in other tribes into this Zulu tribes, so as to Zulus must understand the culture of the Sotho people, the culture of English people, so that they can coexist. The only way you can coexist is when you understand each other. You must understand why this one is doing this, why that one is doing that. So the only way you can do that is to come into this society, be in the same space, engage about our cultures. So that is what we are about. This is our background. So the reason you're here is an interesting trend that Sisnyan informed us about. And she said that she's working at the CCTU, she's working with students. So there's only got a unit in mental health to keep students sane. So we see here with Sisnyan, our students that go to attend her program in mental health also come to one of our programs, which is the biggest program on campus. You can search it now on TikTok if you visit us, which is hashtag Tuesdays. where we do Zulu dancing and singing. So she says, students that come to her program also attend this weekly event, and the students have said that this program is helping them to distress. It's helping them to cope. It is a coping mechanism. So now you can see that it's not about this Zulu. That's why I said, just cut the Zulu thing. Let's focus on this thing called Ngoma Tuesday and its impact on a student. Because at the end of it all, no matter how smart you are, but if you are not sane, there's no academics that can help you. You trust in J, person. So it's very important to be sane. So I'm going to hand over to my colleague to explain briefly what Ingoma is. Briefly.
Alright, guys, so basically Ingoma Tuesday is where we get to be ourselves. I'm sorry. So it's whereby I come from KZN, you come from Jobe, others come from different provinces in Limpopo, all the provinces in South Africa. It's whereby we all come together as Ndaba to building a community whereby we as students we get to be ourselves, we get to be free, we get to distress, because it's coming on a Tuesday and then on Monday is always hectic, and Mondays and Tuesdays are always hectic, so we need that 2 hours to distress. Hence that's where Ingoma Tuesday from the Zulu Society comes in. Many other benefits obviously that you get apart from good to Ingoma, and you don't have to be a Zulu Noma like I said, so good to when you have to be there, because you develop things such as stage presence. You guys are gonna do a presentation there and there, so you develop things such as stage presence, fear of people, fear of group, you get to network with different people from different tribes, you learn new things, you learn new languages and all those experiences. So in short, guys, come to on the 28th because we need to go to academic next week. So how about a week after that, after everyone is settling in because by March, so you can say so to avoid all of those panics, let's start early with our distress programs there. So guys, the venue is MPT DJ 2PC that side. So you can't call you work by I'm headquarters with.
So Dr. Constance said you must take care of your mental health. So there are myths around campus. Don't just like they're going to take your time. No, you are taking your spare time and using it profitably. Thank you very much. Sebo.
I'm going to come to this microphone. Okay, guys. We're supposed to have a break, but I am going to ask that we all stand. Yeah. All stand.
I put in 5 minutes.
Hey, really share that. Lord. Let's go to my